Jasper. If I was a betting man, I bet this was Jasper. And once he's cleaned up, we shall see. Excuse my nails, this is dirt. From the soil, I am Nine, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nine at YouTube. Today, I'll take y'all on a trip of what I get on, what I be on. It is early. Early in the rising, and we out here. We out here meditating. We out here connecting. And we out here digging. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show y'all some of my crystal collections. Stay tuned, I'll be back. So what you see me doing now is searching in the soil. After I hit a spot, I found an exotic rock. So now I know that in this location, I'm subject to find something. And so, here I am here. And so, I don't know why I keep saying this song, but you cannot all the way in tune with nature until you're in tune with all things in nature. You feel what I mean? So about a lot of our shit. Most definitely, these rocks and these stones came from the core of the earth. Billions of years ago. Crystallized, microcrystallized. We all know this is where diamonds come from. This is where crystal quartz come from. This is where jasper come from. Gems. We've been told it's rocks, but you gotta dig in the surface. Deeper to the surface. I almost dropped it. You see how I caught that? I mean, no telling what you'll find. See, once these is clean, they're gonna look like a whole other rock, a whole other stone. And then these rocks have healing properties. Like, you know what I mean? A lot of these rocks is granite. A lot of these rocks is quartz. A lot of these rocks is copper. So you gotta go dig and dig it. And when something catches your eye, you dig into that. And you search deeper. Like, I wasn't even up on this until I was out here with my girls. We was out here doing our nature thing. And I went to digging. And I found a milky crystal quartz. And these are the things that we buy in the stores. Found in the dirt, the soil. No. It was a rap deal. I went and looked it up and got it in place and seen it was authentic. It was all good. I done found so much stuff out here. A lot of this stuff for crystals. You know about your chakras. Your pineal gland, your third eye, your heart, chakra, your throat chakra, just everything that's involved in manifestation, like calmness, soothing, can come from right here, from the earth. You don't gotta go by it. You can't go by it. You want to get educated. But like these are real gems and jewels. Anyway, I'm gonna continue my mission. Hey, come on. This is it. We'll tap in though. Stay tuned. So I'm heading out this motherfucker. Look, I started off with so again. So I'm heading out this mug. It's like every day I'm at a different little spot. This is my new little thing I told y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all my findings, dirty and then clean, and then I'm gonna show y'all Like, then I find some just regular rocks, and then I find some exotic stones. Let me figure out how to navigate my way through here. But I wanted to say this. It's so much to do out here in nature. Like, it's so much. Like, if you have high anxiety, or if you just stressed out, nervous, fearful of something, feeling claustrophobic, people getting on your nerves, you overthinking, and you need to just chill, find a place that's natural like this, nature. This is partially man-made, even like over there, I ain't gonna lie. But throughout the years, nature has taken over, like it's always gonna do. Like, go somewhere and ground yourself, root yourself, get by a tree, touch a tree, put your hand on the tree. You know, if it's chilly, you don't want to take your shoes off. Just put your palms on one of these big fellas like this. Breathe in and out. In with the good, out with the bad. In with the good, out with the bad. In with the good, out with the bad. From 60 seconds to 20 minutes, depending on how much time you have. And you ain't even have to stand by a tree. Sit down. I know you heard the story about Buddha, but it's real. Ground. What else can you do out in nature? You can sit back and look, observe. Just watch and learn. See what the animals doing. See how humans is the only ones that's paying for something to eat. Watch how these animals do it. Watch how they move around, coexist, respect each other's boundaries. When you come into nature, you just gotta let nature know you come in with all due respect. And if it's warm where you at, take your shoes off. Take your shoes off, get down to this earth, barefooted. That's rooting, that's grounding. Get by a tree. If you stressing, fearful, overthinking, anxiety, these trees can help breathing in and out. Like my homie say, Ralph Smart say, breathing that good ass prana, this oxygen, this ether out here. Like, get out in nature. And, you know, come into tune with yourself. And then, if you buy water, you already know, 70% water. And water is purification. The earth is grounded. Water is the flow of things. You see how all this water is in harmony, it's flowing calmly. Over there, when it's coming off that little man-made, whatever that is, slow, you see the water's in disharmony. It's going all type of ways, tripping. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, it rotates. It finds out what direction everyone is headed, and it falls in line. Every drip. This body of water all come from a drip, a drop, a teardrop. And that's what we are. Every human being, every spirit, every soul is just a mere drip into this body of water. And when it comes together, that's where the flow happens. So when you come out here to nature, steer into this water, look at the ripples. Try to see through the water and see the fish. Look at the ducks. Maybe you can come out here and be in tune with them. Just like get out here. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take all day. Just get out here. But anyway, we're going to get back to the rocks and the crystals. I'm going to put y'all up on game. You know what I mean? Quit hitting the jewelry stores. Quit hitting them crystal shops. Nah. It depends on where you at. Because my mission is to tour everywhere and find what's the things that's coming from the ground. But peace. I'd already begun to start my cleaning process of the rocks. Because you always want to clean these mugs when you're done with them, because they did come from the water, which is all kind of things, you know, from dead bodies to, you know what I mean, diseases and everything come from that water. So, you know, bringing these into your home, from your purses, all that. You want to make sure that you clean them. And then it's a hard way to clean these mugs. Like as you can see, this is what I could find at the time of this Himalayan salt, something of that nature from the water, which you want to cleanse them with.